chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday mostly sunny with highs in the lower 90s. Sunday night mostly clear. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 20%. Monday mostly sun with highs around 90. Monday night and Tuesday mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Highs in the lower 90s. Once again the forecast for today, sunny. A slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 101 this afternoon. Here's a look at weather conditions at 10 a.m. Wichita was mostly sunny. The temperature was 84, dew point 70, and the relative humidity was 62%. Winds were southeast at 16 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.02 and falling. Wind field was sunny. The temperature was 84, dew point 71, and the relative humidity was 65%. Winds were southeast at 14, gusting to 20 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.04 and falling. Hutchinson was sunny. The temperature was 85, dew point 71, and the relative humidity was 63%. Winds were southeast at 15 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 and falling. Elsewhere around the region, Newton was 85 and sunny. At Wellington, the temperature was 84, dew point was 71, and the relative humidity was 65%. Winds were southeast at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.04 and steady. Medicine Lodge was 85. Ponca City was 85 and sunny. The heat index was 91. Oklahoma City was 86 and sunny. Dodge City was 82 and sunny. Salina was 87 and sunny. The heat index was 91. Emporia was 83 and sunny. Topeka was 83 and sunny. Kansas City was 83 and mostly sunny. Once again at 10 a.m., Wichita was 84 and mostly sunny. The Wichita Eisenhower National Climate Summary for yesterday, July 7th, 2026. Yesterday's high temperature was 91 degrees. This high was 1 degree below the normal high of 92. The record high is 106 degrees, which was set in 1980. Yesterday's low temperature was 71 degrees. This low was 1 degree above the normal low of 70. The record low is 55 degrees, which was set in 1908. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at a trace. This is 0.96 inches below the normal amount of 0.96 inches for July. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 20.55 inches, which is 2.04 inches above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 92 degrees, and the normal low is 70. The record high for today is 108, which occurred in 1980, and the record low is 55, which occurred in 1952. Sunrise today is at 6:16 a.m. and sunset is at 8:54 p.m. The current time is 10:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A few thunderstorms impacted portions of western Kansas overnight. The primary hazard with this activity was gusty winds. Otherwise mostly clear sky west of Kansas, with pre-dawn temperatures mostly in the 70s. It'll be a hot day today across Kansas, with forecast high temperatures in the 90s to low 100s, west over southwest Kansas. A few clusters of thunderstorms are expected to develop over the high plains late this afternoon and evening, and track east to southeast across Kansas overnight. Coverage will likely be greatest over generally the northern half of the state. A few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. Forecast low temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of central Kansas, east central Kansas, south central Kansas, and southeast Kansas. For today and tonight, a few isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible this afternoon, mainly west of the Kansas Turnpike. An isolated strong to marginally severe thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Afternoon through early evening heat indices up to around 100 degrees are expected across portions of central, south central, and southeast Kansas. Thunderstorm chances are expected to increase from the northwest later this evening and overnight. While not everyone will see severe weather, a few of the strongest storms may be capable of 50 to 65 miles per hour winds. For Thursday through Tuesday afternoon through early evening, heat indices around 100 degrees are expected over mainly southern Kansas Thursday through Tuesday. Off and on thunderstorm chances are expected to persist late Thursday through Saturday night. While widespread severe weather appears unlikely, a few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible, along with locally heavy rainfall. Stay tuned as we refine forecast details in the coming. A few lingering showers and thunderstorms are possible Sunday over southern Kansas, but severe weather is not expected. Spotter activation is not anticipated today or tonight. Here is your National Weather Service forecast. Today, sunny. A slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 101. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds around 10 miles an hour, becoming north in the afternoon.
Here we go.
On weather radio station WXK92, KEC 229, WWW 22, WI105. By the signal to water in sending and receiver's performance. The signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm tone will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties across central, south central, and southeast Kansas: Marburg, Barton, Bourbon, Butler, East, Chautauqua, Cherokee, Yole, Crawford, Elton, Ellsworth, Greenwood, Harper, Harvey, Kingman, Quebec, Lincoln, Marshall, Wisconsin, Montgomery, Neosho, Money, Pratt, William, Rice, Russell, Sullivan, Sudbury, Stafford, Sumner, Wilson, and Woodson. In northern Oklahoma, Alfalfa, Red, and Woods. Once again, the National Weather Service has just conducted a test of the new weather radio warning alarm tone. We now return to the recorded program. Here is your National Weather Service forecast. Today, sunny. A slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%.
Teams found the debris off Pakistan's coast in the Arabian Sea.
It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 84 at Little Rock, 83 at Kansas City, and 84 at St. Louis. Once again, 10 a.m. in Springfield, it was 82 degrees under sunny skies. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Grayson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. Today, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 80s. South winds